call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. And I know when that hotline blink, that can only mean one thing. I know when that hotline blink, that can only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city, you got a reputation for yourself now. Everybody knows and I feel left out. Girl, you got me down, you got me stressed out. Cause ever since I left the city, you started wearing less and going out more. Glasses of champagne out on the dance floor. Hanging with some girls I never seen before. You used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need cell phone. Late night when you need my love. And I know when that cell phone. Late night when you need cell phone. Late night when you need. You used to call me on my You and me, we just don't get along. You made me feel like I did you wrong. Going places where you don't belong. Ever since I left the city, you got exactly what you asked for. Running out of pages in your passport. Hanging with some girls I've never seen before. You used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need cell phone. Late night when you need my love. And I know when that cell phone. Late night when you need cell phone.
That little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the school, I can get them both, I don't wanna choose. And I'm quick, cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now speak, that means I don't rub with you. I'm a boss, you a worker, bitch, I make bloody move. Now she say she gon' do what or who? Let's find out and see. Cardi B, you know where I'm at, you know where I be. You in the club, just to party, I'm there, I get paid to be. I be in and out them things so much, I know they tired of me. Honestly, don't give a fuck about who ain't fond of me. Drop 2 mixtapes in 6 months, what bitch working as hard as me? I don't bother with these hoes, don't let these hoes bother me. They see pictures, they say goals, bitch I'm who they tryna be. Look, I might just chill in some babe, I might just chill with your boo, I might just spill on your babe. My pussy feel like a lake, he wanna swim with his face. I'm like okay, I let him get what he want. He buy me East and Laurent, and then you whip. When it go fast as a horse, I got the trunk in the front. I'm the hottest in the street, know you probably heard of me. Got a bag and fix my teeth, hope you hoes know it ain't cheap. And I pay my mama bills, I ain't got no time to chill. Think these hoes be mad at me, they baby father wanna kill. That little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the school, I can get them both, I don't wanna choose. And I'm quick, cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now speak, that means I don't rub with you. I'm a boss, you a worker, bitch, I make bloody move. If you a pussy, you get popped. You a goofy, you a op. Bet you come around my way, you can't hang around my block. And I just check my account, turns out I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. I put my hand above my hip, I bet you dip, he dip, she dip. I say I get the money and go. glitter is gold. Tell that little bitch play her role. I just don't roll with no rolls. I just came up in no rave. I need to fill up the tank. No, I need to fill up the safe. I need to let all these hoes know they none of them niggas is fake. I go to dinner and steaks. Only the real can relate. I used to live in the peace. Now it's the crib with the day. Only got charms, the life of the night. I should let these bitches know. Just in case these hoes forgot. I just wanna check them more. Another check from all the stuff. That little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is dirty shoes. At the school, I can get them both. I don't wanna choose, and I'm quick. Cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now speak, that means I don't rub with you. I'm a boss to a worker, bitch. I make bloody moves.
Shit like I smell cologne. Yeah, I just signed the deal, I'm on. Yeah, I do what I want, good. Play if you want the store. I'm a young CEO, sure. Yeah. The first nigga play on my body, a nigga. I just check my balance, I probably pull up to your hood and come buy me a nigga. You know what your hoe told you, that nigga crazy. Don't think that she lied to you, nigga. We hit these shots with your hoe and I'm popping them both. Now they hot just like Bobby and Whitney. Say I'm the dope, act like I don't know. But fuck it, I'm obviously winning. Don't make me go eat the bank. Take out 100 to show you my pockets are different. I'm out with your bitch and I only want knowledge. She got a little mileage, I'm chillin'. You disrespect me and I beat you ass up all in front of your partners and children. I'm the type and that nigga think that I'm broke until I pop out with $1 million. Take 20K and put that on your head and make one of your partners come kill you. Say he fucking with me and he gotta grow up. This nigga gotta be kids. This shit can't fit in my pocket. I got it like I hit the lottery, nigga. Slap the shit out of nigga, no talking. I don't like to argue with me. I just don't. Ain't gon' be no more laughs. You see me whip out, cause I'm gon' be the shot me a nigga. I don't follow no bitches on IG, but all of your bitches, they following me. Little nigga ain't gon' shoot shit with that gun. He just pull it out in his pictures. Packing the mail, it's gone. Shit like I smell cologne. I just signed the deal, I'm on. I do what I want, good. Play if you want the store. I'm a young CEO, sure. Packing the mail, it's gone. Shit like I smell cologne. I just signed the deal, I'm on. I do what I want, good. Play if you want the store. I'm a young CEO, sure.
Tastemaker. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, you guys, I'm doing a review for a brand new company to me. This is my first time ever working with this company. So today I am currently reviewing a unit from Incolor Hair. Now this hair is a custom colored unit. It has this like bold, blunt, chunky highlight in the front, and then it's almost like a little peekaboo under here as well. So when the wind blows, it's just like this little cute blonde moment. And then regular, it just looks like a little blonde streak in the front. And then the rest of the hair is this beautiful like jet black color. And this is, believe it or not, you guys, a T-part closure unit. That's a little bit better. I had to turn the lighting up just a little bit. So, okay, before I even get into today's video, let me update you guys on what's going on right now, because I know some of you guys are looking at the video like, it looks a little bit different. I don't know what it is, but something about this video is different. So if you guys actually watched like my previous like 2 videos even, basically the ring light just stopped working, you guys. Like it was like flickering, you know, like when you have like a light bulb and it like starts to flicker, the whole ring light started to flicker, and it wouldn't work in the white balance light, which is like this kind of lighting that I have here. It only worked when it was like that yellow light, like that orangey yellow light, and I cannot record in that. The light that I'm currently using is actually a light that I've had for a while. It's just a regular studio light. So I'm using this one right now, but the only thing about this one is when I film with this light on my DSLR camera, which is my Canon, when I film on that camera with this light, the lighting is terrible. Like, it's worse than what it is now. At least when I'm filming on my phone, like I can adjust the lighting like on my screen. I don't know how to adjust the lighting on those like big cameras. The next couple of videos will be filmed on my iPhone until I get my studio lights. I wanted to just let you guys know about what's going on, because you guys will see a difference obviously in the quality of the next couple of videos that I do here on my channel. So yeah, you guys, so anyways, so this is my first time working with in color hair, and as far as like the quality of the hair, I would say this is very comparable to some of like the top rated companies out there, the ones that I absolutely love and work with all the time. I can easily compare this hair to their hair, and I love that about it, because there's nothing worse than getting some hair from a new company and it's just like trash. Like, I love this hair though. This hair is amazing. Definitely something worth picking up. I've seen the units that have like the little blonde piece like in the front, but it would literally only be this. Like, it wouldn't be none of this under here. It would literally only be that. I've gotten units like that, and those are cute, but I kind of always like sit there wanting more. Like, I want more. So this is something that I would actually do, like customizing it myself. But like underneath here, as you guys can see, I love the fact that it has all of this like blonde hair underneath here. And I'm not completely like opposed to T-part units. Personally, would it be like my first option? Obviously not. But for people who are like trying to save money and just can't afford to like buy a lace front unit, T-part wigs are a little bit more difficult to love, because you're gonna want to change your hair more often. When you have a T-part wig, you're pretty much stuck with this style. Like, as you guys see, I was able to crimp the hair. You can of course dye the hair, you can wear it straight, you can cut it, you can do that as far as like switching up the look. But if you want to switch up your part, you're not really going to be able to. But anyways though, nonetheless, this hair does actually hold a very beautiful crimp. So if you're somebody that wonders whether or not, like, because you know some hair, it just will not hold a curl, a crimp, nothing. Like, it's only meant to be straight. But I love the fact that this is straight hair that actually holds a crimp, and I love that about it, because like I said, there's nothing worse than spending all this time on your hair and then it just goes kaput. It like goes to waste. Now, I did of course use hairspray on my hair. That is definitely something that is key when crimping your hair. This is the regular old Got to Be Glued. You guys know about this product, and I specifically apply this before I crimp my hair. So as you guys will notice, I spray each piece, and then I comb it through the hair, and then I go in with my crimping iron and I crimp it out. Now, some of you guys may have a lot of questions about the crimping iron that I use in today's video. So if you are new to my channel and you guys aren't familiar, I do have a website called tastelevels.com. If you guys are interested in this crimping iron is always sold out. I cannot keep this thing in stock. Every time I restock it, it sells out. Most likely these will be restocked in August. If you guys are interested in these, August is literally right around the corner though. It's like literally a few weeks away, right? So if you guys are interested in it, like I said, it's hard for me to keep these in stock. So if you ever see this and you want to get your hands on them, make sure you follow me on Instagram, because I usually make all of the announcements on Instagram. Also, the hot comb that I featured in today's video is also from Taste Levels. This will also be restocked in August. So if you guys are interested in any of these, just make sure you have your notifications on. Make sure you guys are following me on social media, and I will update you guys when these are both available. So yeah, that's pretty much it though. As far as the cons, the only con that I have would be the pieces on the side. You guys saw that I did have to fold those up into my hair, and then pretty much like I folded them inside of the wig basically. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna take it out real quick so y'all can see. So I took it out from behind my ear, and I'm gonna show you guys where it's at now. You see how it's covering my ear? So I just folded that into the wig. So boom. Now I don't have that problem. And I did that on both sides because it was that way on both sides. So yeah. Also in today's look, as you guys have noticed, I didn't put any like baby hair or anything like that. I just left it regular and natural. Now let me go ahead and stand up so you guys can see where this wig is hitting me. This is a 24-inch unit if you guys are interested. For reference, I am 5'3". This is where it's hitting me in the front. Very beautiful. You see how they have like that pop of blonde? Like, it just looks so bomb, and it's like kind of all throughout the hair, which I like. This is where it's hitting me in the back, so it's literally right to my butt, right there. And it's full all the way down too, which I like. It's not thin at the ends, you know. Because sometimes, y'all know, certain units, like the ends be so thin, like you have to cut it to make it make sense. Like, girl. So I love the fact that this unit is beautiful from the roots all the way down to the end. So yeah, I love the length of this unit. I like so many different things about this unit, and I think you will as well. So if you are interested in giving this look a try, make sure you check out that description box down below for a direct link to this unit, along with all of the details to this hair. If you have any questions that I didn't cover in today's video, make sure you drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, Incolor Hair, for working with me today and sending over this beautiful unit. And of course, I have to thank all of my dedicated subscribers. You guys are the absolute best. I just want to thank all of you guys for like truly supporting me. I know I say that all the time, but I just want you guys to understand that like you guys mean so much to YouTubers and anybody that you support. Whether you watch the video, share the video, like it, comment, whatever, like that means a lot. It's something that's free to do, but it really helps us out so much. So I really appreciate all you guys that take the time out to do any of that, just out the kindness of your heart, not because I ask you to do it, but really just because you like the video. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really do appreciate all your love and support, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.